Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to share a zip file or send a zip file on Google Drive, then this video is for you. First, you have to make a zip file. So let me show you how you can create. Here you can see I have already created a zip file from here. Or if you want to create a zip file, then you can simply do is you can select multiple media from here and simply right click on it, and you can find compress to. Simply hover over the compress to, then you can find the zip file. Simply click on it, and here you can see you can rename it like test file. So I have just added the test file from here, and you can see it is like this. So this is a zip file with the zip icon here. So you can just upload. First you have to upload that zip file on the Google Drive. So I'm going to simply click on this 9-dot button here at the top right corner and simply click on the drive, and it will lead you to the drive where you can simply click on this new button here and simply click on the file upload, and you can upload the test of the zip file, actually not test file. So here you can see the file is now started uploading on the drive. So here you can see it is almost ready to upload, almost uploaded on my drive. So wait till it complete uploading. So here you can see it has just uploaded. Now you can go to the my drive from here, and let me show you. You can go to the recent. So here it is. So recently I have just uploaded it, and you can see the icon here and also the format, the .zip. That means it has just created. I have just created the perfect zip file. Now you can actually share it by simply click on or hover over on that file, and you can simply click on this people plus icon here. So simply click on it, and it will allow you to share this file to your expected person or recipients. So you can simply copy the link or share the link to that person's or the group or any type of social media platform that they can actually get access of your zip file and can download it directly from the Google Drive. Also, you can send the invitation to different peoples or groups or calendar events. So you can simply click on it, and you can see there's different types of email. You can add any email like this. Let me show you just like this, any email, then you can add them, and you can simply change the role from here. You can change them to viewer or commenter or editor. Also you can add some text here and notify people. Click on it. I prefer you to click on notify people, so it can notify others that they have got an invitation to access our file. So simply click on send, and it will give the invitation, and they can actually check their mailbox, and they can find a link where from there they can actually access your zip file and download it in their system. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.